limit x tends to 0 log of secant ex into secant e square x into and so on secant e power 10x by e square minus e power 2 cos x. Okay, when you substitute directly in the place of x as 0, what happened actually? Secant 0, secant 0, secant 0. So 1 only will get, log 1 means 0, 0 by e square minus e square 0, 0 by 0 form only coming. So we can apply LH rule. Before that, we just can apply log formula in numerator. Limit x tends to 0 log of secant ex plus log of secant e square x plus and so on log of secant e power 10x by e square minus e power 2 cos x. Okay, now apply LH rule, 0 by 0 form only, no? So limit x tends to 0. Here the general term is what in numerator? Log of secant e power kx, right? So for this derivative is what happened now? 1 by secant of e power kx. Again secant derivative is secant in x into tan, right? Tan of e power kx. Again for e power kx derivative is e power k. Secant cancel, we will get, this is the balance term, e power k into tan of e power kx. Okay, now here secant ex is there, no? So we will get e into tan of ex plus next term lo e square is there, so e square tan of e square x plus and so on. Here we will get e power 10 into tan of e power 10x by e square derivative is 0 and minus as it is, and e power x derivative e power x only, and again chain rule means minus 2 sin x, we will get it. Okay, now we can see here this is minus into minus plus only, and sin x is there. Whenever the numerator is x by sin x means we have the formula, we will get limit x tends to 0, x by sin x means 1. So what we are doing means limit x tends to 0, 1x multiply and divide numerator x, and this complete part we can write it like this, 2 sin x e power 2 cos x. Okay, limit I am applying separately, limit x tends to 0. Now the numerator complete part e tan of ex plus and so on up to e power 10 tan of e power 10x. Okay, by denominator what is there now? Only 1x, because 1x multiplied and divided, all are in multiplication, right? Now first part observe, when you are applying the limit, x by sin x is there, so this x by sin x will be 1, and here if you are substituting in the place of x as 0, cos 0 1, so e square, so 1 by 2 e square is the balance in the first term, right? Now the second term is what happens, see here this x I am writing separately for every term. Limit x tends to 0, we will get e tan of ex by x plus limit x tends to 0 e square tan of e square x by x plus and so on. If you are applying the 10th term also, limit x tends to 0 e power 10 tan of e power 10x by x. Okay, now we have also formula limit x tends to 0, tan x by x means 1, but here in angle ex, e square x, e power 10x, like that is there. So in the first term we want ex, then only we will apply the formula, right? So 1 e multiply and divide. Similarly here we want e square, so with e square multiply and divide in second term. Similarly in the 10th term with e power 10 multiply and divide, then we will get here 1 by 2 e square into in the first term 1 e multiply and divide, no, so e square is the balance we will get. Here e square multiplied and divide, so e power 4 we will get plus and so on. At last we will get e power 10 multiplied and divide, so e power 20 we will get it. This is the one we have to calculate, right? Now from everywhere we can take it, e square is common and then we can strike out. Now we will get 1 by 2 of e square taking common, no, so 1 plus e square plus e power 4 plus and so on e power 18 we will get it. Okay, total how many terms? See here now 10 terms only is there, no total, right? Now sum of the 10 terms in geometric progression with initial term is 1 and common ratio e square we have to find. See 1 by 2 into, what is the formula? S10 formula in geometric progression, a into, a means 1 only, okay, a into 1 r power n minus 1 only, no, r value e square, right? E square whole power 10 means e power 20 minus 1 by r minus 1 means e square minus 1. Okay, like this we will get. So option 3.